Hello, welcome to the Edgerton Public Library and our Reading Adventure Club. I'm here in the meeting room at the library, ready to tell you about what's in our reading packet for this week, as well as some book ideas for you. So thanks for joining me. My name's Kirsten, and this week we're focusing on the letter J. So we have a new reading adventure packet ready for you to pick up. It's hard to believe we're already well underway in the month of November. This week, our packet has some materials for you to make a jellyfish craft. Perhaps yours will look like this one on our instruction sheet. And each week, our packet has directions for you to follow, as well as a writing activity. This week, we have a jellyfish writing prompt and some list making that have to do with the letter J. Jump, joyful. So we also have a jungle magic painting project. So you can use a paintbrush at home or a Q-tip and water and turn this picture into something beautiful. Okay? They're all taken from a book that looks like this. Okay? And we also have directions and a ruler for you to try a jumping game and measure how high you can jump at home. So that's what you'll find in your reading adventure packet this week. And I hope this week you'll also think about reading a book that connects with the letter J and with our reading adventure packet. So maybe a book about jungle animals or a book about jellyfish. We've got several. There's another one. Okay. Perhaps a book about jaguars. This one is in Spanish. This one is in English. Or perhaps you'd like to read a book that's written by an author whose last name starts with the letter J. So I've pulled a few to share with you. Brian Jakes has written the Redwall series, and we have a few books in that series that are on the shelf today. As with many series, you might have to order some of them through our share catalog, just because other readers are enjoying the same series. Here's a couple from our Easy Reader section. We have more by this author, C.C. Joven, that are some easy sports books to read about. The ones I brought in today, basketball and soccer, are just part of that series. The Donut Fix is a book written by the author Jesse Jenowitz. This is a very fun standalone book, not part of a series, and I think it'd make a great read aloud if your family's looking for something to enjoy together. And then we have some early chapter books. This is the Barkley School for Dogs. And you'll find that in the chapter book section by authors whose last names start with J. This is written by Marcia Jones. Okay. And Ghostville Elementary, another series by Marcia Jones. Another author whose last name starts with J is Lita Judge. She's had the chance to visit Edgerton for one of our book festivals, which was pretty amazing, and made a visit to our elementary school. Okay. Some of her books are in our picture book section and some are in the nonfiction section. And this month of November, as we're celebrating Dino-vember, it might be a good time to read her book about baby dinosaurs born to be giants. So I've got a few dinosaurs here with me today, and they want to remind you that it's not too late to pick up a packet to decorate a dino, and you can return that to the library by November 21st, and we'll be putting them on display for the whole month of December. Okay. So from me and the dinosaurs, we want to thank you for joining us during this program, and I hope I'll see you at the library again soon to pick up a packet, to pick up a dinosaur, and to check out some great books. And we're happy to bring those to you via parking lot pickup, or you can come in during our open hours. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.